Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And there's a big box of LP Aero glass. It's all solar gray, and it's for a four-place airplane. And that box is 54 inches from left to right. It is 35 inches tall, and it is 31.5 inches across. That's 34.46 cubic feet. It takes up a lot of space, ladies and gentlemen. We were hoping that they would ship it to the hangar, but instead they sent it to the house on a rainy day, and we had to get it in the garage. So stay tuned for some more LP Aero plastic fun. Stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, we've shown you pictures of what all the windshield colors are before. This is a clear windshield. The 4 and the 2-place windshields are very similar. They look a lot alike. It's kind of hard to tell them apart. There's also the green, which came on our airplanes originally. A lot of people have converted to clear over the years. But the new winner these days is solar gray. It keeps the UV out of your cabin, keeps it a little bit cooler, and that's especially true if you're flying a 2-place airplane with that big bubble canopy. That lets a lot of heat into your airplane. So that's what the windshields from LP Aero look like. They're big pieces of plexiglass. They're fairly heavy. And I think the last time we checked their price on the invoice, it was $1,368 retail for a windshield. And that's of June 21st, 2023. Also in the box are the side windows. And these go on the canopy sides. They're fairly large, but they're really all not that difficult to install in the aircraft. By the way, the canopy side windows right now, as of the solstice for 2023, that'll be June 21st for those not in the know, they are $375 for each one. And then we'll finally get to the rear windows, which are again in solar gray and go in the back of your airplanes, and they are $314 each. And that's all retail prices again as of 2023. So we have a stake in the ground of what the glass cost. Now let's throw that up on the screen for you, and then we'll close out with the LP Aero. So those are the prices of everything in that great big box. $1,368 for the windshield. Canopy sides are $375 each. The rear sides are $314 each. And expect about $220 for freight. Again, that's a really big box. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And here's Hopscotch. He's playing with one of the toys that Mike May brought us when he brought us his tiger again this year. He definitely loves that blue mouse with the blue feather. Thanks, Mike. He's really enjoying it.